Hello and welcome to the Officers Academy. So today we will be studying world geography. The topic that we are doing today is continents. So within the continents today we will be studying about North America and South American continent. Okay. So let us go ahead again with the book list. Which books are to be referred for this topic? Starting with the NCERTs of standard 6, 7th and 8th. Okay. This will be old NCERTs. Next, Atlas. As we have already seen last time in the lecture of continents Asia, the atlas that we refer is of Orient and Black Swan, otherwise of Oxford. The third book is GTM, that is this book, Geography Through Maps, written by the author K. Siddhartha. Okay, so these books will be helpful for you to study the continents because along with the data we also need to do map marking. Map marking is an important part in geography. So we need to continue with map marking in the atlas. Okay, so today we will be starting with North and South American continent. So now let us study some basic introduction about South American continent. Now size wise if we see, South American continent is the fourth largest continent in the world. Okay, so if we try to arrange all the 7 continents in the descending order of their size, that is from biggest to smallest, so the order goes this way. First largest continent in the world is Asia, followed by Africa, then comes North American continent, okay, then comes South America, next comes Antarctica, and next is Europe, and the smallest is the continent of Oceania and Australia. Okay, so this is the arrangement of 7 continents of the world in the descending order of their size, that is from largest to smallest. Okay, so today we are discussing about the South American continent. So South America is the 4th largest continent in the world. देखिए कभी एग्जाम में इस पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, arrange the continents in the ascending or the descending order of their size. So we need to have a total of all the 7 continents. Okay, location wise, now where it is located, as the name suggests, South America. So the majority part of this continent lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so once you look it in the map, तो आपको दिखेगा majority of the continent is below the equator, to the south of equator, that is in the southern hemisphere. Next question is, which is the most important mountain range of South America? तो ये आपको याद रखना है. We will discuss this in depth also, which is the most important mountain range. It is the Andes Mountains. Okay, so if we see on the western coast, अगर हम इसका मैप निकालेंगे साउथ अमेरिका का, so if we see on the western coast lies the Andes mountain range. These are the young fold mountains. We will study them in depth. Okay, next coming to the climate and vegetation. Now major part of the continent, it covers the equator and the region to the south of it. So major climate of the continent is tropical. Okay, so if you can remember the different types of climate, equatorial climate, tropical climate, subtropical, temperate climate, polar climate, desert climate. So South American continent में predominant climate कौन सा है? Tropical. Okay, and the vegetation, natural vegetation, that is type of forest. So majoritarily we get the evergreen rainforest. Okay, water resources are available in abundance. So the predominant forest or natural vegetation of the region is rainforest. Along with the rainforest, we also find many grasslands. Okay, we will discuss all this in depth. So this is just to give you a glimpse about the continent. Okay, about its size, about its location, the climate and the natural vegetation. So coming to our next part, again a repeated question in the examination, which of the following regions together make up Latin America? Okay, so we will see some terms like, now see, we are studying today, what we are studying is South American continent. Okay, so we will come up with terms like what is Middle America. So ये भी हमें जानना है. Okay, now coming to our question, what do we mean by Latin America? So which regions? So you have to remember this 4. So if we draw the map of South America. Okay, so let us try to understand it. Okay, drawing the map of South America. So देखिए, today we are studying about the South American continent. Okay, so which regions together make Latin America. So our answer will be South America plus Middle American countries. Okay, so अगर हम इसका पूरा नॉर्थ और साउथ का मैप निकाले, so this region comes out to be like this. Okay, there is a narrow gap in between and then the South American continent. Okay, now this region is called as Middle America. Okay, so Isthmus of Panama Canal के बारे में आपने सुना रहेगा. Okay, so this region is called as Middle America. This region is called as South America. This continent is called as North America. Okay, so Canada, USA, Mexico. तो ये दोनों हो गए. Along with this, the West Indies Islands. Okay, so along with this islands, that is West Indies. Okay, all these islands are also included in Latin America. तो हमें तीन चीजें मिल गई, that is South America, Middle America and the adjoining islands, West Indies Islands, and along with this the state of Mexico, that is over here. Okay, so starting from Mexico, अगर हम इसे मैप पे देखें, Mexico, then Middle America, okay, then the West Indies Island and finally the entire continent of South America. Together this part is termed as Latin America. Clear? So Latin America में चार हिस्से हैं, Mexico, West Indies, Middle America and South America. So this part is clear. Now let us try to understand why it is called as Latin America. ठीक है? तो जैसे if we compare it with India, now many of the Indian languages are evolved from Sanskrit. Okay, similarly many of the European languages are evolved from the Latin language. Okay, clear? Now in this region, the part that we are discussing, okay, earlier many people from Portugal, Spain, they settled in this region. The language that they used to speak, European languages, evolved from Latin language. That is why this region is termed as Latin America, because the Portugal, the Spain and many of the European people had settled over there who used to speak the Latin languages. The languages evolved from Latin language, hence the region is termed as Latin America. So now let us try to understand the physiographic divisions of South America. So we have four physiographic divisions of South America. ये आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं, ये आपको याद रखने हैं. Starting with the Western Coastal Strip, followed by the Western Mountains, then the Central Plains, and finally the Eastern Highlands. ठीक है? So let us try to locate them on the map of South American continent. This narrow strip, see, this leads to the Isthmus of Panama, connecting the South American continent to Middle America and finally to North America. ठीक है? Clear? Let us try to understand this narrow strip now. Starting from here, there is the Caribbean Sea. So starting from Caribbean Sea, this narrow strip up to the tip of South America. ठीक है? Clear? This is called as the first physiographic division, that is our Western Coastal Plains. Okay, so Western Coastal Plains starting from the tip of Caribbean Sea up to the southern tip of South America. It is lying parallel to the Pacific Ocean. Okay, तो ये हमें याद रखना है. Western Coastal Plains lie parallel or they run across with the Pacific Ocean. Okay, next to the Western Coastal Strip there is a range of mountains. Okay, these tall mountains, young fold mountains. These Western mountains are nothing but the Andes mountain range. Okay, clear? So one of the most prominent young fold mountains of the world. Again, starting from the northern tip of the South American continent up to its southern tip, across, running parallel across the Western Coastal Plains. Okay, इसके हम और ईस्ट में आएंगे या और आगे आएंगे. This will lead us to the Central Plains. Okay, clear? अभी ये plains क्यों बने हैं? These plains are basically made up of the delta basins of the South American rivers. So some of the major rivers. Now see, one thing you remember about South America, it has abundant amount of water resources. तो पानी की यहाँ पे कोई भी कमी नहीं है. That is why we see many hydroelectric projects in the South American continent. Okay, so some major rivers like River Amazon, River Orinoco, River Plata. Okay, so इनके deltas ने क्या बनाया है? Central Plain. So we will find many grasslands over here in the Central Plain region. इसके और details में हम जाएंगे when we will go into the depth of it. And last, on the eastern edge, there are the Eastern Highlands. ठीक है? So we find the Eastern Highlands in this region. Okay, so the Brazilian Islands, the Guiana Islands, these basically make the Eastern Highlands. We will study all the four in depth. Okay, so skeleton wise or structure wise we have understood physiographic divisions of South America, 4 divisions. western coastal strips, western mountains, that is the Andes mountains, central plains formed by the rivers, and finally the eastern highlands. So now let us study the physiographic divisions of South America in further depth. Let us start with the first one, that is the western coastal plains. Nothing much to remember about the western coastal plains unless the fact that it starts from the Caribbean Sea region in the north and extends up to the southern tip of South America. Now one prominent thing that we need to remember about the western coastal plains is the width of these plains keeps on changing, or it is highly diverse across. Okay, so it does not have a common width. In some regions this width is very narrow, whereas in some regions the width is very large. Okay, so the width of the western coastal plains keeps on changing across its length. Second important physiographic division is the western mountains. Now this is our area of interest, or we need to study it into further depth. Okay, the western mountains comprising of the
So stay connected with us, never miss an important lecture. You might never know which examination you clear, and that might be a life-changing event for you. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press on the bell icon so that whenever we update or upload any important lecture, so you might get a notification for it. If you have appreciated our quality of coaching and efforts, do like our lectures. Share this video with your friends so that even they get benefited from it.